In the past, we've used rear loaders that basically consisted of 3 people on the truck. You have a driver and 2 helpers. What this truck does is it's automated. It has an arm that actually picks up the garbage can, dumps it in the back, and then it can go on to the next house. That's actually easier for the operator. It's also, you get away from a lot of medical issues, back strains, hurt knees, things of that nature. This made garbage pickup a lot more efficient. It helps actually keep the neighborhoods clean because you have larger cans with tops on them that dogs can knock over.